Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix error code 0xC004D302 on a computer running Microsoft Windows non-core edition. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error code 0xC004D302, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open the registry editor. For that, you just need to click on search bar, then type here registry editor. Click on this registry editor, click on yes. Here you can see HK local machine, double click and expand. After that, you need to find software, double click and expand this software. After that, you need to find Microsoft, double click and expand. After Microsoft, you need to find Windows NT, scroll down. You can see here Windows NT, double click and expand. After that, you will find current version, double click and expand. After that, you need to find software protection platform, scroll down. You can see here software protection platform. You have to click on this, come to the right section. You can see here in this you need to find scrip. Guys, in right side you need to find skip run. Just right click on that, click on modify. Here by default the value is 0, you just need to change it to 1. Then click on OK, then close this window. After completion of this, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix error code 0xC004D302. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.